Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson, the roadman. Today is yet another beautiful video right here in Africa. Yes guys, but let me show you. Yesterday I actually made that video showing you guys how I've progressed with the building of my kitchen. Yeah, come check. This is what I did. You can see from here. So I built this do-it-yourself, guys. I've never built before, but through watching videos on YouTube, I decided I'm going to make my own for this, for my small cottage right here. Okay, but then I don't know. I'm still thinking about this one. I intend to put this part here, but now if you look at it, the space is going to be like for just two people to pass, like here, because this is just like 1.5 meters. Yeah, this is just like 1 meter, the space in between here. Yeah, I don't know what you guys think. Should I build on this other side as well, or I leave it plain like that? Yes. So today I want first to concentrate on this part, which I've already done, like I've built, but now I need to put like the shelves like here, you know, like here, and of course pouring that concrete thing here on top like that. Okay, this is for the stove. Yeah, for those that are new, this is for the stove. This is space for the stove, and I'm actually going to leave this one for the gas cylinder. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting my gas cylinder over there and then the stove on this other side. Okay, so this is what we've done, but today it's part 3, if I may put it that way. Yesterday I did a part 2, or the other video that you watched is actually part 2. But come, let me show you here, guys. So look, I bought this this metal bar here. It's called here in Zambia, it's called a Y12. There's Y12, Y16, Y18, 22, I don't know, somewhere there. Yeah, so it's a 12 meter long. So it starts from here, as you can see. It goes all the way down here. As you can see, it turns, comes here. So already I've started cutting the pieces which I need. So I already cut these 3 with this saw. So I've cut these of equal measure. But come, let me show you where I'm going to be putting them, or how they are going to fit. Okay, so this is where we are. So this one goes in like this. This is how I'm building it. Not that this is how they do it, no. This one will go somewhere up to somewhere here, I think. Yeah, like that. Can you see, guys? Okay, so this is how they are going to be. I'll just put 3 on this one, like this. You've seen the way I've put them. Then now we're going to pour, like, we're going to put a board underneath here, and then we pour like concrete over here. You know, that quarry which we have, we're going to pour it up to somewhere here. Yes, and of course we're gonna have again towels on top, so it's not going to be that big. Maybe a 5. Yeah, 5 is enough, because we're gonna put a towel underneath, the towel on top, so that should be enough. Okay, so 3 are okay for these under, but then here on top we're gonna put maybe 4 or 5, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, or 4, I don't know, maybe 4, yes, on top here. The same like this one, 3 maybe here because it's big, so we're gonna put 4 going all the way there. Okay, 4 going all the way, and then 4 again on top, or 5 on top, because it's big, this area is big. So 5 on top. Here is for the stove, so we're not putting anything, but here we're going to put from here, and on top here. Okay, underneath there is, we're gonna leave a big space because it's for the cylinder, gas cylinder. Okay, so yeah, I'll keep you posted, guys. I'll keep updating you guys, and please make sure that you help me by subscribing to this channel. If you haven't, if you've just bumped into this video, please subscribe to the channel, guys, and also like this video, give it a thumbs up. That really helps me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, let's continue building our little kitchen over here. Okay, guys, look, we're moving from cutting iron to now cutting planks, guys. It's a lot of work here, guys. You know, it's a lot of work. I have to cut these, so I'm actually trying to cut these. Let me show you. These, I'm going to use them for shattering. Yeah, these. So here we have put these will go under, like underneath these. And then we're going to pour whatever that it may be. Okay, let's do this. So these are actually going to come here, you know. So I need about 3 of these. Actually, two can be enough, you know, like this. And then we're gonna pour the concrete here. Okay, we're gonna pour the concrete right here on top. Okay, when it dries, we remove these. That's how it works. Okay, so let me just finish up cutting. I need quite a number of those. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so take a look. We're about to pour some concrete here on this particular one, as you can see. So it's going to go all the way up to somewhere here. I don't know if you guys are able to see. And then here on this side again, we're going to pour there nicely. Okay. And then on this other side again, we're going to pour some concrete over here. Yeah, and then we're going to put those metal bars here. Okay, that is how we are going to proceed from here. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. We are almost done. Wow, can I say almost done? I think we're still a way ago, you know. So yeah, but let's see how far we're going to go today. Okay, let's go. All right, guys. So we've started now doing the work here, as you can see. Okay, so this is what I'm doing, and here's another one. So this one goes, where is it? Okay, it's here. So this one's supposed to go, yes, this one's supposed to go somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Take a look. So now I'm going to pour another layer here, going up to somewhere here, you know, to bury these and make it level on top. Yes guys, so this is what I'm going to do even on that other side, even on the other side as well. So yeah, it is what it is. We are here trying to make what we can, you know, like paying people, guys, for this type of job, which costs a fortune, like here in Zambia. So sometimes you can use YouTube. You watch YouTube, learn 1 or 2 things every single day, and then you put it into practice. So this is what we are doing here. Okay, as you can see. So let's see how it's actually going to come out. Yeah, I'm super excited, and hopefully we do it well, guys. Okay, I'm very happy about this. So let's go. Let's do some work. As you can see outside, made some concrete, mixed cement with these stones here, and I'm here working. So yeah, let's go. Show you. I'll keep updating you guys and showing you how far we are actually going to go today. Okay, let's go. Okay, hi guys. So it's almost actually night time here, but I'm still working, and let me show you what I was able to do. You can see here we've put this shelf over here. Okay, MacGyver way. Okay, even on this side we've done this. That's the first one, and here we've done it on top here. You can see this is the work that we're able to do today. Underneath here it's going to be storage for the gas cylinder down there. Then this one is for the stove. Here we can put small things, and then here, of course, this is for the for the sink. Yeah, where you can wash your plates from. you know, and then you're gonna have, you can pack them right in this one, you know. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much, guys, for coming back to the channel. Hope you found value from what I've been able to share with you today. Thank you so much. My name is Samson, the Roadman, and I'm signing out. And remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I really, really appreciate those that are hyping the video. Yeah, hype the video, guys. That really, really helps. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care of yourselves.